So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to Redis database using Ruby as programming language. So first thing, install gem known as Redis. So type in gem install Redis and hit enter. This should install Redis gem on your operating system. And once installed, type in IRB. This should open Ruby interpreter. And here type in require Redis. So calling for this gem will return true if it is properly installed. After that, what we will do is we will create a new object that calls for new connection. So if you have any specific IP address, then you should add that within this method. If not, just keep as is, just type in redis.new. Okay, so it will point you the IP address for current Redis database. Now what we will do is we will first send ping to this server. Type in r.ping and it returns with message pong. If it returns with this message, that means you are properly connected with Redis database. Now let's set one key value pair. Type in r.set. Inside the method, type in Marco and then value as polo. So you have key Marco and value as polo. Hit enter. It should return OK. After that, type in r.get and then point your key. It should return polo. Now if you want to delete this key, simply type in r.del, type in name of your key, and this should return value of 1 to show you that command executed perfectly. Now simply type in r.get and once again give it this key and it should return you nil. That means this key is no longer installed, or you can say stored in your database. Now we are going to take a look at one more module known as JSON module. For that, type in require, within single quote type in JSON and it should return true. Now what we are going to do is we are going to set value for one key by converting a numerical array into JSON. So let's type in r.set. Here my key is Marco again, and for numerical array I'm using 1 2 3 and then going to use .to underscore JSON. Okay, can also remove this set as method and keep this as is. It should work just fine. Okay, so once again let me go through this. We are setting key Marco and value as string. However, I have numerical array which I am converting into a JSON string by using .to underscore JSON. Hit enter. Now it returns OK. Now type in JSON, then parse. Here type in r.get and then inside method type in Marco as your key and hit enter. This should show you the value of your previous numerical array which was converted into JSON for serialization. Okay, so we looked at how to connect to Redis database, how to set and get keys, how to delete keys. Also checked how to use strings to store values using JSON.